welcome to FBB Femina Miss India Kolkata 2016, powered by Ruparal Realty, talent partner Mobstar, and skincare partner Aloe Vera.
The hallmark of a beauty queen is her walk, the way she enters, the way she poses, the way she sets the ramp on fire, and finally, the way she looks at the audience.
This was the first time मुझे professionals ने train किया है, so हमें minute details बताया गया which we often ignore.
Slight diagonal and there's a turn so that you can pick your body up.
रैम्प वॉक दिखने में बहुत आसान होता है बट ऐसा नहीं होता है. वॉक भी करो तो ज़्यादा मतलब स्ट्रेट वॉक नहीं, ज़्यादा क्रॉस भी नहीं. यू हैव टू लाइक वॉक लाइक अ pageant beauty queen, not like a model.
Today, experiencing it was like I know how difficult it is to stay in that posture and, walk in your 6-inch heels.
Why are you going like that? Why can't you keep it straight?
We all made mistakes and we learned from it, and I just hope we do our best at the finale.
The lingerie is your foundation garment, and pretty much like makeup, it absolutely has to be right to look stunning.
Triumph International worldwide believes that confidence comes from within with the right fit and the right lingerie.
Since we belong to the fashion industry, it's very important for us to know what kind of lingerie to wear with what type of dresses. So it was very helpful.
I had no idea कि मुझे इतनी नई चीज़ें सीखने को मिलेगी इस सेशन में, और अभी मैं actually distinguish कर सकती हूँ कि मुझे कौन से कपड़े के साथ कौन सा innerwear choose करना है.
It's also really important that they camouflage their imperfections and highlight their assets, and I think we help them to do that.
FBB Femina Miss India not just polishes these girls, but also gives them an opportunity to bring out their individual personalities through a series of sub-contests. So, good luck, girls.
Our sub-contests are about to start and all of us are so excited but also a little nervous at the same time.
So we're beginning our first sub-contest of today, which is Olivia Bleach, Miss Glowing Skin.
ये हमारे फिनाले से पहले का एक छोटा सा टेस्ट है.
Tell me something about your skin.
I have very dry skin.
It's acne-prone skin.
Can you look that way for me, please?
Judges इसमें बहुत ही perfect skin की तलाश कर रहे थे जो एकदम flawless हो, एकदम radiant हो, और वो बहुत ही बारीकी से हमारे skins को check कर रहे थे.
What is your daily skincare regime?
I don't really do much to my skin, but I drink plenty of water.
So we had a look at all the contestants, and being Calcutta, the girl had the beautiful famed Bengali skins. So it was a tough decision, but we have decided on a winner and the results will be announced on the finale day.
Skincare is something which is a very common need of the modern age. They did an absolutely amazing job. All the best to them in the coming rounds.
We are heading to our next sub-contest, that is Ruparal Realty, Miss Lifestyle.
The contestants are going to be given a lifestyle quiz. The winner will be the girl who finishes the quiz in the shortest possible time and has the most correct answers.
This is quite easy. हम सबको lifestyle and fashion के बारे में काफ़ी कुछ पता है, तो I think at least मेरा तो अच्छा जा रहा है. It's going good.
As it's a beauty pageant, the knowledge of fashion industry is really very important, and I just hope I did well.
Okay, girls, your time is up now. You'll have to close your folders. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed that. And our next sub-contest is Ruparal Realty Miss Sudoku.
And the parameter for that is to solve the Sudoku given in the shortest possible time.
Your time starts now.
जैसे कि सबको आता नहीं है ये गेम, तो मुझे भी बेसिक नॉलेज ही है, उसी नॉलेज के साथ मैंने किया है सॉल्व.
I don't even know how to play Sudoku, and everyone was like, rushing, scribbling down, doodling their numbers, and I was really worried कि क्या हो रहा है. I find solving Sudoku really interesting, and it's a logical game, and I am glad that I was the first one to finish the puzzle, and let's just hope for the best. अभी जो next sub contest है, it is called Swiss Hotel Miss Congeniality.
So we want somebody who is very modern. She should be as humble as the Swiss people.
It's actually very difficult to vote for Miss Congeniality because सारी लड़कियां मेरी अच्छी दोस्त है, but मुझे हर एंगल से देखना पड़ा, और सिर्फ ओनली मेरे साथ नहीं, सबके साथ कैसी है, तो वो देख के मैंने वोट किया.
The next sub contest is going to be Triumph Miss Perfect Body.
Calcutta is known for women with beautiful eyes. I had no idea that they had such beautiful bodies as well.
The judges were looking at a lot of criteria, from your posture to your proportionality to how toned you are.
It has been a difficult decision because there were lots of girls with really good bodies and all quite similar looking bodies. But yes, we do have a winner and we have taken a decision.
हमारा अगला राउंड है FBB मिस टैलेंटेड. आई रियली अप्रिशिएट दिस कि हमें अपने पर्सनल टैलेंट है वो शो करने का प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है.
This is one of those rounds where the girls actually open up, they come natural.
All the contestants were very carefree and showing their true self out कि हाँ मैं ये हूँ.
I feel that is very interesting. बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत दिलचस्प था और मुझे लगता है कि हमको 2 या 3 वो कंटेस्टेंट मिल गए हैं यहाँ पे आज शाम, जिनको हम शायद फिनाले में मुंबई में देखेंगे. I wish them all the very best.
FBB Miss Talented sub contest बहुत ही amazing था. And another thing I discovered here is the Mobstar app.
If you go onto the Mobstar app and you upload your talent, whether it's your modeling or your music, your singing, your dancing or whatever talent you have, everybody gets a chance to see it and everybody gets a chance to vote for you.
These talents will be seen by experts and professionals who are in continuous search for potential talents.
So our next sub contest is FBB Miss Fashion Icon.
Here we are going to see all the contestants, how they are going to use their innovative ideas, how they dress up themselves, and how they come out with very, very creative way of fashion.
मेरा ड्रेसअप जो था मेरे पर्सनालिटी को शो करता है और साथ ही साथ एक स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट भी रखता है.
I think I'm very bubbly and lively, so that's why I have decided to try this dress.
Many people had a simple look, but I did something bold. I did something that not everyone would be willing to do.
I was a part of judging and they've really shown their talents. I wish all the girls very best.
Ladies, this is Cara Miss Vivacious. We're going to ask some really off-the-hook questions and they're not pageant questions. So please do not give pageant answers.
Tell me one secret of your life.
Okay, I've kissed a girl.
You're relaxed?
Yes.
You can tell us a joke now.
If you had a chance to really hope that one of them trips on the ramp tomorrow, who would that girl be?
She's already laughing. She knows. It was the most fun sub-contest till now, and there was a lot of liveliness in the environment.
Would you consider two-timing?
Yeah, might be.
हमको judges को impress नहीं करना था या कुछ भी. We were just being ourselves.
So right now the judges are judging Prayag Miss Photogenic.
Costa Saikia did our photo shoot and everyone looked so transformed in it.
The main criteria that we are looking for here is somebody whom the camera loves, how they were posing, how confident they looked on camera, and overall picture how it came out.
आइडिया के पिक्चर्स बहुत अच्छे आए थे तो वो मिस फोटोजेनिक बन सकती है, लेकिन मेरे भी खराब नहीं आए थे तो मैं भी बन सकती हूँ. I'm also good.